Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the lint filter in your Samsung dryer. Now, removing and reinstall it does not require any special tools, but it is something you want to be doing just about every time you go to do a load of laundry. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you want to remove your lint filter on a regular basis is for cleaning purposes. Remove the lint from the previous cycle that you've used. This allows for improved airflow, which is going to give you quicker and better drying performance, and it's going to save you money. So all we need to do is just open up our door, reach down to the bottom of the opening, and pull straight up. And that allows us to remove the filter. And this filter actually is awesome because it opens up, and now you're able to remove anything that's inside that filter. Reinstallation is just as easy. We just close it up, bring it into position, and drop it down into place. So there you go. You can see just how easy it is to remove and reinstall the lint filter in your Samsung dryer.